Camping Safety 101 tips, must-haves, and surprising facts for every camper evergreen. Heading into the wild? Make sure you're prepared. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about staying safe while camping, from choosing the right campsite and packing survival essentials to handling wildlife encounters. Plus, we'll share fascinating camping facts, like how to make a natural fire starter or why certain foods attract animals. Sparkles, whether you're a seasoned camper or a first-timer, this guide is packed with tips to make your camping adventure safe and unforgettable. Hit subscribe, like, and share your camping hacks in the comments to help our community of adventurers grow. Selecting the perfect campsite is the first step to a safe and enjoyable trip. Don't just pitch your tent anywhere. Consider the environment and potential hazards. Look for a level spot, away from dead trees or overhanging branches. These can fall unexpectedly, especially during storms. Avoid areas prone to flooding or near animal trails. Check for signs of wildlife activity, like tracks or droppings. It's best to set up camp away from these areas to minimize encounters. Also, be mindful of the wind direction to avoid smoke blowing into your tent. What you pack can make or break your camping experience. It's not just about comfort, it's about survival. Let's go through the essential gear you need. First, a well-stocked first aid kit is non-negotiable. Include bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and any personal medications. Don't forget insect repellent and sunscreen. Next, navigation tools are crucial. A map and compass are reliable even when your phone loses signal. Learn how to use them before you go. A GPS device can also be helpful, but always have a backup. A reliable light source is essential for navigating in the dark. Pack a headlamp or flashlight with extra batteries. A multi-tool or knife is invaluable for various tasks, from cutting rope to preparing food. Campfires are a quintessential part of camping, but they can also be dangerous. Knowing how to build and maintain a safe fire is crucial. Always check for fire restrictions before you go. Clear a 10-foot radius around your fire pit, removing all dry leaves and debris. Keep a bucket of water and a shovel nearby. Never leave a fire unattended. Use only dry wood and avoid burning trash or plastics. When you're done, extinguish the fire completely with water. Stir the ashes and make sure everything is cool to the touch. Proper food storage is essential for preventing unwanted wildlife encounters. Animals are attracted to food odors, so you need to keep your food secure. Use bear-resistant canisters or hang your food in a tree, at least 10 feet off the ground and 4 feet from the trunk. Store all food, trash, and scented items in these containers. Never keep food in your tent. Clean your campsite thoroughly after each meal. Dispose of food scraps properly. Encountering wildlife is a possibility when camping. Knowing how to react can prevent a dangerous situation. Stay calm and assess the situation. Never approach or feed wild animals. Keep a safe distance. Make noise to alert animals to your presence. Carry bear spray in bear country and know how to use it. If an animal approaches you, make yourself look big and make loud noises. Back away slowly. Report any aggressive animal behavior to park rangers. Weather can change rapidly in the outdoors. Being prepared for all types of weather is essential for your safety and comfort. Check the forecast before you go. Pack layers of clothing to adapt to changing temperatures. Bring rain gear, even if the forecast is clear. A waterproof tent and sleeping bag are crucial for staying dry. In case of severe weather, seek shelter immediately. Avoid open areas and tall trees during thunderstorms. Be aware of the signs of hypothermia and heat stroke. Getting lost can happen to anyone, even experienced campers. Knowing how to navigate and what to do if you get lost is crucial. Always tell someone your plans. Carry a map and compass and know how to use them. Stay on marked trails. Pay attention to your surroundings and landmarks. Use a GPS device as a backup. If you get lost, stay calm and try to retrace your steps. If you can't find your way back, stay put. Build a shelter and signal for help. Water is essential for survival, but not all water sources are safe to drink. Staying hydrated and avoiding waterborne illnesses is crucial. Carry enough water for your trip. If you need to drink water from a natural source, purify it first. Use a water filter or boil the water for at least 1 minute. Avoid drinking water from stagnant sources. Be aware of the signs of dehydration and drink plenty of fluids. Avoid alcohol and caffeine, which can dehydrate you. Respecting the environment is crucial for preserving the beauty of the outdoors. Practice leave no trace principles to minimize your impact. Pack out everything you pack in. Stay on established trails and campsites. Minimize campfire impacts. Respect wildlife and their habitat. Leave what you find. Be considerate of other campers. Keep noise levels down. Dispose of waste properly. Help preserve the natural environment for future generations. Did you know that dryer lint makes an excellent fire starter? Or that certain plants can be used for medicinal purposes? Learning these surprising camping facts can enhance your outdoor experience. Pine needles can be used to make a tea rich in vitamin C. The inner bark of birch trees can be used as a waterproof tinder. Knowing these facts can be both fun and useful. Understanding the natural world around you can make your camping trip more enjoyable and safer. Share your own camping facts in the comments below. Camping is an incredible way to connect with nature, challenge yourself, and create lasting memories. By following these safety tips and being prepared, you can ensure a safe and unforgettable adventure. Now it's your turn. What are your favorite camping safety tips? Share them in the comments below and let's build a community of safe and responsible campers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more outdoor tips and adventures. Like this video if you found it helpful and share it with your fellow campers. Get out there, explore, and stay safe.